Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this dollhouse. It's a 2-story and 3-bedroom house. If you would like to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel. For the first step, you will need foam board and balsa wood. I'll cut balsa wood into strips that are 2.5 centimeters wide and divide each strip into sections. Make sure not to cut all the way through, since it is a lot easier and quicker to create the miniature flooring using a few long strips instead of many small pieces. Now start preparing the walls by cutting out the doors. I'm using paperboard for the door frames, cork to make a brick wall, and scrapbook paper or regular paper to decorate the walls. And apply a layer of varnish to the cork before painting it in the color of your choice. By the way, I listed all of the other materials in the info box. I'm using a kitchen from a previous video. If you would like to see a more detailed tutorial including the measurements, you can find the link in the info box along with many other dollhouse furniture tutorials. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!